Hola amigos, today is the day 9 building in Notion and something happened. At first, when I started, I had a simple to-do list on what I want to do with the template, like special tasks, features and everything. But later I realized that I actually need a system. I want to understand the deadlines, I want to understand the stage I'm in, I want to understand like the whole project development of what's going on inside and when I will finish. And just from the to-do list, I accidentally created a full project management template that are actually helping me right now to build my main habits and goals template. I'll share the screenshot here, and if you like it, just DM me and I will send it to you so you can check it out, use it, and I hope it will help you in your process. Regarding the main template, I'm currently working on a structure. Just want it to look really nice, clean and polished. And yes, tomorrow we'll also work with different views, especially monthly and yearly connections. It's really important. Been working on this a little bit, but yeah, more on that later. See you soon.